Hi everyone! Have you ever traveled by plane? The airplane. For example, Turkish Airlines, Singapore Airlines, or the other airlines. Have you traveled by plane? Today, we're going to read a book about the airplane. In the airplane. Dun, 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 dun. So, this is a family. They are traveling. And the destination is very far away. They have to travel by plane. Look, first they have to pack their luggage. So what do you put? What do you need? Some books, some toys, of course. You need your clothes, your pajamas, maybe your toothbrush, toothpaste, your towel, and other things. Don't forget your socks and shoes. Then they get on the car. So they are on their way to the airport. And then, so at the airport, what do you need to do? First, you need to put on the name tag to each piece of the luggage. The name tag, like your name, your phone number, your address, probably your email address. So when you cannot find the luggage, if somebody finds it, they can send it to you. All right? So they have to check in the luggage. So they go to the airline's counter. They give the luggage. Hi, sir, what's your name? My name is blah blah blah. Okay, here is the bag and the luggage. 10 kilos, 20 kilos. Oh, maybe too much. So they give their luggage. They check in. Next, they are ready to say goodbye. They pass the door and have some basic checkup. They pass it. Then it's time to find their own seat in the plane. Oh, my ticket shows 3B, 3C. Then you go to your seat. You put your handbag, your hat, your book to here. All right? To the cabinet. And don't forget to fasten the seat belt. Okay, the seat belt here. And you have to put the seat upright. Look, the seat belt. When everybody is ready, who is she? She is the flight attendant. The flight attendant will come, walk around, check your seatbelt, and then they will show you the safety, the instructions of safety, how to go, where to go, what to do when you meet any emergency situation. Okay, then the pilot, you hear the announcement. This is pilot, blah, blah, blah. Welcome to airplane, da, 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 da. We are on our way to London, Bodrum, Istanbul, America, Japan. And then they are ready to take off. And if you have a long flight, the flight attendant will serve you the meals. Maybe the meal with chicken, with beef, or some other things. Or perhaps you need vegetarian food. Okay, so they have their meal. Yum, yum. And look, this is the crew. The pilot, the co-pilot, and the other flight attendants. Oh, when you need a wee, yeah, you go to the washroom. Or you can listen to some music. You can watch a film. You can read your book. Or you sleep. Maybe it's a 10 hours flight, right? And wow, you can see your destination. The plane is going to land. Yay! Thank you, dear crew. Thank you, flight attendants. And they say, thank you for joining us. Have a nice and safe flight. See you next time. Oops, it's too windy. And then you probably need to check to show your passport, your ID card, all right, to the customs. And don't forget to get your luggage, your suitcase, your backpack. Maybe you have your violin guitar. I don't know. Don't forget to take them. And then you need to get a car, call a taxi, go to a hotel or your home. So this is what happened in the plane. I hope you like it. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an airplane, a paper airplane. Phew! It's really easy. We are going to make this with paper, and we fold the paper. The art of folding paper is called origami. Origami. Origami is a Japanese word. It means the art of folding paper. We can make paper airplane. We can make paper balloon, paper frog, paper lion, everything. So now look, a blue one and an orange one. Now we are going to make one. Let me show you. But, all right, Mira, I have two paper. Which one do you want? The green one or the yellow one? The green one?
Yes.
Say the green one.
Green one.
Okay, now we will show you how to make a paper airplane with the green paper. So, first you can see what shape is it? It's a rectangle. So, two sides are short, two sides are long. So, we are going to fold from this to here. Here we go. So you have to match it well. One second. Okay. Now can you help me? Good job. Now you will fold it nicely. Wow, it became again a rectangle. Now let's open it. We are going to make a triangle. Let me show you. One second. So the short side is going to here, to the middle line. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. All right, good. Now, you try. Yes. So look, it became a triangle. Say triangle. Now, this short side is going to meet the middle line. Okay, let's try. Dun, dun, dun. All right, you might need help from your mommy or daddy, okay? Yes, look, 1, 2, 2 triangles. Now we turn it over. You can see the middle line here. Now, this part is going to meet the middle line too. One second. Okay. Like this. Good job. Okay, now press it. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, there are some other triangles too. Again, here it's going to meet the middle line. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so thank you. Good job. Okay, but it's not done yet. One more time. This part is going to meet the middle line again. So, like this. Press it nicely, slowly and nicely, okay? Now we turn it upside down. Here, it's going to meet the middle line again. So, ready like this. Okay, slowly and nicely. Good. Now, yes, very good. Thank you. Now, just like this. Wow. A simple and fun airplane is done. Shoo! You can have a race with other airplanes. Look, you can make big one, small one, all right? And the blue one, the green one. So you can play like this. If it opens all the time, don't worry. You can use some glue. All right? Or some tape maybe. So it will stay and it's time to have fun. See you.